Elevated Cossack side bends. You're going to start by sitting on some blocks and extending one leg out to the side, and you're going to engage into a side bend while holding a weight. The weight can vary between 1 to 5 kilograms. I'm using 4 here. The aim here is to reach as far out as possible whilst holding the weight, creating a nice stretch on your side body. So you're trying to keep the weight right above your feet. Try not to lean forward in the side bend. You should feel a stretch in your lats and your obliques, potentially as well in your core. The bottom leg remains straight, and you can use the free elbow to reach down to the floor, as you can see here, and make sure you drop that same shoulder on the inside of the leg. A good general volume recommendation would be to do 3 sets of 10-second reaches on each side.